Let's make a creamy mango sorbet. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So you guys know that I love to make healthy recipes for anyone who is on their health journey. And if you're anything like me, your sweet tooth is your kryptonite. So today we'll be making a sweet treat that not only satisfies you, but it'll make sure that you're still on track with your health goals. For today's recipe, you'll only need a few things. The main thing that you'll need is your sorbet attachment. As you can see, the sorbet attachment looks a lot different from our juicer attachment. It is smooth all the way around. It does not have any holes in it. So this is what you'll want to use when you're making your sorbet. So for today's ingredients, I have some fresh mango that I have cubed and frozen. And then I have some vanilla Greek yogurt that I froze into cubes. If you cannot tolerate dairy, you can use a plant-based yogurt or a coconut cream, whatever works best for you, and just freeze it into some cubes. Now for the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and get into the recipe. So you do want to make sure that you let your fruit thaw a little bit before you actually put it into the juicer. Mine has been out for maybe like 3 minutes. I'm just going to break it apart just a little bit. And then we're just going to place some into the juicer. And then this is a pretty big chunk, but the juicer will end up breaking it up. So that's all of my mango. And then I have 7 cubes here. I'm not sure if I'll use them all. Let's see. They are, pretty normal size cubes, if you can see that. I think I'll do about 4 or 5 if I can get it out. Okay, that's 4, and we'll do 1 more. Okay. All right, so now everything is loaded into the juicer. You may notice here that I don't have anything here on this side where you would normally place your container to catch your juice. That's because when you're making sorbet, your sorbet will always come out of the pulp side. So we only have our container here to catch the sorbet. But now that everything's all ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. All right, and that is it. Our sorbet is done. It looks so good. I cannot wait to give it a try. And there you have it. That is our mango vanilla sorbet. So creamy, so easy. Now let's give it a try. Cheers. So good. It's always so much better when you use fresh ingredients and then you freeze them. So good. And if you want to take this to the next level, I like to sprinkle a little bit of mint on top. That wasn't the most aesthetic sprinkle. Anyway, sprinkling in a little bit of mint really takes it to another level. I absolutely love mangoes, so this is just another way for me to get mangoes into my regimen and make it into a delicious sweet treat. As a wellness girly, this sorbet attachment, it has made healthy swaps so much easier. Normally I would have ice cream that was packed with sugar. Now I'm able to make my own desserts at home that are definitely better for me and they taste amazing. And you guys already know how I feel about my Nama J2. This is my tried and true bestie, and today with the sorbet attachment, it just shows you another way that you can use your juicer to help you on your wellness journey. You can make juice, plant-based milk, and sorbet. So if you've had your eyes on this juicer, go ahead and bite the bullet and go ahead and grab one. Right now, if you use my code Darian10, you will also get a free sorbet attachment at checkout. But don't wait, because that promotion will only last until May 1st. I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful and informative. I really hope that you guys give this recipe a try. It is so delicious and you can use it in so many different ways. You can have it just as it is or incorporate it into a smoothie bowl by adding granola or your favorite fresh fruit on top. If you have anything that you want to see me make specifically, leave me a comment down below. And as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Now I'm gonna go. Me and my sorbet need a little bit of privacy. Bye.